the back of the box, you'll need the outer portion and the inner portion. The outer portion aligns with the inner portion in a specific way. The two squares on the back align with the wood floor squares that are perpendicular to the other wood flooring. There are only a few folds for these. We're going to start with the side fold. This is another long one, so squeeze slowly and ensure you're folding on the dotted line. For the inner portion, the fold will eventually be toward the art, but it's easier to fold while seeing the line. Reverse the fold and crease it in the direction it should be. Do the same for the other side fold. Next will be the square wood section. Again, the fold needs to be toward the art, but first fold it outward and then reverse it and crease it. Do the same with the other square wood section. The last fold is the larger wood section. Still easier to fold when you can see the line, so make the fold, reverse it, then crease it. Folding the square wooden sections in will give you a preview of what this part of the box will look like. For the outer portion, we're going to do the same folds, but because it's a mirror of the inner portion, we won't reverse the folds like we did with the inner portion. Start with the long side section. Then do the square section while we're here. Same on the other side. That only leaves the bottom section left to fold and crease. Glue time! This one will be handled a little differently than the front of the box. Notice I align the bottom edge first before folding back the inner portion at the bottom fold. We're going to glue the big main section first, then glue everything else. Smooth out the glued section from the bottom fold up to the top edge. Next is the right side. Fold over the inner portion and apply glue to the back of it. Only do the top part of the right side, not the square section. Press the outer section on the glue and apply pressure from the fold to the outer edge. The craft stick is great for applying even pressure and pushing out any air bubbles. Now it's time to do the square section on the same side we just glued. Fold up the inner portion and apply glue to the back of it. Press the outer section on the glue and apply pressure from the fold up to the top edge. Take the same approach on the left side. Start with the top part first, then do the square section. At this point, I discovered that the square was slightly larger than it should be and was clipping into the bottom section, so I trimmed the littlest of bits so they weren't touching. That's better. Check your edges and see if any extra cardstock is showing. If there is, go ahead and trim it now. I have a little on the inside of the square section, but my scissors can make quick work of that. Sides are done. Last piece is the bottom section. Same approach. Fold the inner portion in and apply the glue to the back of it. Push the outer portion on it and apply pressure from the fold to the upper edge. Last step for this part of the box is to fold and glue the square sections inside the bottom section. Apply glue to the outer portion of the square. Fold the wall over and push the square down on the floor. Ensure the edges align. Do the same for the other square to create the other wall. And there you have the back of the box. All that's left is to put it all together. Let's do this.